Good morning guys. Hey guys, our family is doing picnic. Now this is the family side. Oh no, the cookman itself. Open this one probably. Now recently we already finished the achar. Now we're cooking this is our pretty beautiful lady. Now we are cooking the chicken. We do picnic today guys, because our relatives, he treat us. Now my husband is busy cooking chicken from morning.
From morning I cook.
From morning. And this all the family is there, over there. And then now this is our preparation. Everything here, messy like this. And then here also, especially in the Nepal, we have like this papart. And then prawns also, achar and prawns. And then we have also the achar, like this, achar. Together with this, cucumber, carrots, peas, chili, and turmeric, and lemon, and everything is mixed. This is the Nepali tradition. And then here, krosani. Oh my god. See here, dania, tomato, and then I think this is the one also. Here we go. Here. And then here the onion. Our pretty girl. Hi, Bainit. No, hi.
Hello.
Chamo ito achar oh.
Achar nikal.
Oh, achar nikal ni papart. Then here our family. There my mommy. Mommy, all family member. Now here our mommy. Oh, hi mommy. Hi, this is my mommy. Oh, say cheers. Ama, Chaima, Uncle, Chaima, all my sisters. Oh, party. Oh, hi, naman. Ajul. Oh, Ama. China bat. Hi, Surab. Security, Chaima, Uncle, Sabayar. You eat papart. Sophia, you eat first papart. The other people not yet came. Later they will come. And then after, they will do a party here. Sophia here. So, this is a picnic time. Now cooking time. This is the hours now coming now. Now coming again family. When we go there, we go the bus. I will show you guys, huh? Ajur. See, mommy. Okay. This is the whole way a treat. This one also. Everything, all the family member here. Here, our hero. He came from vacation. Namaste, Chaima. Our beautiful Chaima. Hi, Chaima. Oh, my handsome and beautiful. Diba? They came already. It's here. It's very hot, guys. Too much. Now they are busy. Now here guys, I will show you everything. This is the view from here, which is we stay. It's very sunny. Some already, but the other side, when you go that side straight, there is the park for the kids. There is all play area for the kids. We are here because by like this guys, by like a house you need to rent like a 1,000, I think 500 pesos in the Philippines. And then that's why here. This is our family here. We have big family. Other they will come. Later they will come here. All busy, busy, busy. Now obviously in the family guys, my husband, the family always requesting he's the one cook, because as per them, they are very nice, yummy cooking. Now I will show you the surrounding, guys. Here, this is the surrounding here in Nepal. Everything is there. All the trees by there. The other one, mostly before also our kabayan, we also do picnic here, this area. Oh, of course, you nga, be. You hold nga, be. You show me also my face. Of course, I'm here, guys. That's my outfit. Thank you for watching. Please, we love you. Yeah, now si going now. 1, 2, 3. Si look, Sophia. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's moving now. Come, baby. Don't go that way. Just check, only say they're moving. And then they do swing. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Jump! See, look, Sophia, they will swing that one. Oh, they will release. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. You want, Sophia?
No.
You want to ride with Mama?
No.
Oh my God, very. Oh my God.
This auntie. This auntie.
Oh my God, like a pulling down beer. Beer. Sana, I'm the one excited. Like I'm the one excited for the release. Oh my God! See?
Ida mama.
No, strach na to.
Shweta didi.
You want to play, Sophia?
No.
Why?
Baba.
Afraid. Uy, doon ko na said. Ayo. Guys, this is our ride. We will go in the Philippines. Okay.
Bye.
Let's go to the Philippines, family.
Hida mama. Shweta didi wal. Audio.
Biro, okay.
Bye. Oho, mana? Daddy, let's go.
1, 2, 3, dali kiss. See our Sophie. Miss Sophie. Come this side, Miss Sophie. What's your face? Ah, chi, 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 chi. Ah, chi, 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 chi. Ah, chi, 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 chi.
Doggy. Dog.
Uy, big to hold here. Miss Sophie. Ay, slowly, slowly.
Where, Papa?
View. You go in the front also, B. I will take Bantika. Daddy, you go in the front, huh? You'll take the view. In the front place, and if you come back. Okay, you go first in the front, and then you come here. We come back here. This is, what is name?
Cycle.
Cycle.
Oh, here is going here.
Here is there.
Anti-cycle.
Where's Papa? No more.
Here guys, see, this is what we are doing. Park.
No more.
Then here, the mascara. Oh my god.
What do you like this bubble?
Here I go. Which one she want? She only bubbles.
Take one more.
Kitty.
Take one more. Bayo.
Kati, how much?
Adiyo.